Good day, ma'am, sir. I am Rhea Jenrie Calimbas, 21 years old, currently studying in University of Baguio, taking Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management with a specialization in International Tourism. I can speak English and Tagalog. While studying, I am a freelance model, business product promoter, and as an editor of posters and videos. I experienced to be part of GMA Network as a host. I am proficient in using programs and applications such as Microsoft applications, Canva, and video editing apps. I am passionate in video editing, graphic design, and learning new things. I believe that learning never stops, and I am very much willing to learn and adopt new skills. I am ready to challenge myself to be able to utilize my skills, and I also love working with other people, which will allow me to grow personally and professionally. Thank you.